Here comes Liam. I think you might just be able to see his little head up there. He gets one extra run. Here he comes. He is just totally loving this. Totally loving it. He'll come shooting around this corner. No brakes. I came off on my last go. I was going too fast. Here he comes. Here he comes. Woo! Oh, look at that. And down he goes. Meanwhile, the cow keeps singing. See if I can catch him on the bottom bit. There he goes. He loves it. Bit worried, he's a bit of a speed demon. Just hear his little yahoo. And the Eiger's still there. How cool is this place? Unbelievable. The sun, it's midday and the sun's just coming up above the mountain. Totally awesome. We just keep going and going. That's where we were yesterday, up in the clouds up there somewhere. Tomorrow's supposed to be totally fine.